Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Thursday, February 13th, and this is my PM recap video of the pound US dollar on the 1 hour time frame. If you haven't done so already, definitely check out my free trading community on Discord. Link is down here in the description and in the corner of this video. If you would like to check out my membership program, you do so by signing up at my website, fxpipcollector.com. Gets you access to all the benefits listed below and more. So, anyways, is everybody enjoying all the Trump volatility? Markets are just up, down, up, down, up, down. We just recently had a big old push down because Trump is, I think, right now live talking about tariffs and possibly even signing paperwork about tariffs. Now, the fact that we are closing so strong above the 78% makes me think that we will go up and we will break that daily time frame structure that I talked about in this morning's video. So if we are going to go up and break that daily time frame structure, it doesn't mean that we might not push down a little bit. We could even end up making a crutch into this last wave up. But I think overall we are going to end up going up and we are going to end up breaking the structure on the daily time frame. So I'm definitely looking for longs. I'm definitely looking to get long at the end of any pullbacks and possibly hold longs, maybe even possibly building a position to the long side. So, anyways, don't forget to join my free Discord trading community. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.